Every role, one face. Every story, one click. Higsfield Face Swap keeps the essence, the grain, the glow, the truth.
This isn't just one photo, same photo, and then same mag. That's handwritten norms.
What if you could instantly change faces in any video without reshooting, without editing, without limits? Meet Higsfield Face Swap, the newest breakthrough from the world's fastest growing Gen AI platform. With millions of creators generating cinematic AI videos every month, Higsfield just added something that changes everything. Now you can transform identities, reimagine characters, or put yourself directly into your story, all in seconds. No After Effects, no complex masking, just one prompt and the AI does the rest. Today we're diving into how it works, how to use it, and 3 stunning prompts that show just how powerful it is. Let me show you the swap face examples. Look how incredible this is. Higsfield Face Swap doesn't just change a face, it recreates it. The character is accurate, every detail perfectly aligned. From the lighting to the skin texture, even the emotion in the eyes. It's not just AI, it's art, precision, and storytelling, all in one click. Here's the result. And look how amazing the face swap feature is. You can even generate your creation to speak and move in a full video. For example, let's say I want to convert this image into a cinematic video. I'll start by writing my prompt. A clown sits in front of a dimly lit mirror, removing his makeup slowly. His reflection seems to smile back even when he stops. Dialogue. Behind every painted smile, there's a man who forgot how to laugh. Style. Moody lighting, film noir tone, emotional piano music, reflection effect. Next, you can select multi-shot mode to create multiple camera angles or scenes within one video. Then, choose the model you'd like to use for rendering. In this case, I'll select Google Veo 3.1 for realistic motion and cinematic quality. Finally, set your resolution to 1080p for high definition output and choose the 16:9 aspect ratio since we're uploading the video to YouTube. Once everything is set, simply click Generate and the AI will bring your prompt to life, transforming your still image into a fully animated speaking video. For this image, I also wrote a creative prompt to bring it to life. Prompt: a confident young woman with short, wavy blonde hair and red lipstick sits gracefully under stage lights, wearing a black and white polka dot dress. She smiles warmly at the audience, radiating charm and poise. The camera slowly pans in, highlighting her elegant posture and expressive eyes. Soft blue light glows in the background, creating a sophisticated talk show atmosphere. As the music builds softly, she turns slightly toward the camera, her smile widening with confidence. The ambient lighting flickers gently to accentuate her presence. Classy, professional, and cinematic. Once your prompt is ready, choose the WAN 2.5 model, perfect for cinematic lighting and natural motion rendering. Next, set the duration to 10 seconds and the resolution to 1080p for a crisp, high-quality result. After everything's set, click Generate and watch as your still image transforms into a beautifully animated cinematic scene. Smooth camera movements, soft lighting, and professional studio vibes, all powered by AI. For this image, I used the Speak feature to truly bring her performance to life. I'll add the audio text, prompt. On stage, she captivates the crowd with every word, graceful, radiant, and full of life. In her stunning white gown, she embodies timeless beauty and the courage to inspire others through her voice. Every smile, every gesture tells a story of passion and purpose. A reminder that when you step into your moment, the world listens. For this render, I set the duration to 10 seconds and the resolution to 1080p, ensuring crystal clear quality and cinematic detail. And click Generate.
Home isn't a place. It's the warmth that finds you even in the cold.
Listen, you're the thing. Every sniff is a fight. Every sneeze has a story.
Innovation doesn't wait for permission. It demands action. The future belongs to those who build it.
Behind every painted smile, there's a man who forgot how to laugh.
Shame for stone with a piece of pie stuffed in her shoes and the rock and roll. At that the dream of hopes of the goal. She's the fire, river moon shining in with color.
The future of AI filmmaking isn't coming, it's already here, and it's powered by Higsfield Face Swap. Go to Higsfield website to try it today. Create your next story, your next persona, your next masterpiece. This is Digital Delegator, helping you turn imagination into income, powered by AI. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tutorials on the newest tools in AI creation.